Hello, I'm Ren Microwave Easy Cooking. My microwave is very old, but I can do many things. I will upload things which I can make only with microwave. This is my microwave, only 4 functions: 180 watt, 360 watt, 600 watt, and max. Open the door, see a container and a glass of water. Today we prepare spaghetti using microwave. Whole grain spaghetti in a container, pour hot water, and do not use a lid, 360 watt and 3 minutes. Check the hardness and maybe another 2 minutes. Looks good. If it is still too hard, cover the lid for a minute. You can buy the container at Daiso. It is only about $1. Or you can try to find a long container that can fit the spaghetti. Finishing the recipe of this photo is coming soon. I'm telling a secret of using a microwave. Most important thing is to put a glass of water together with food.